A few years ago, ChatGPT was just a chatbot. You typed a question. It gave you an answer. That's it. But today, OpenAI is working on something much bigger. Imagine an AI that remembers who you are, understands your goals, helps you code, completes tasks, connects with apps, and eventually becomes your personal digital assistant. That future is arriving faster than most people realize. And according to recent reports, OpenAI is preparing one of the biggest transformations in ChatGPT's history. So what exactly is changing? What is Codex? Why is everyone talking about AI agents? And how will these updates affect millions of users? Let's break it down. The company behind ChatGPT is OpenAI, and the person leading OpenAI is Sam Altman. Over the last few years, ChatGPT became one of the fastest-growing consumer products ever created. But OpenAI's goal was never to build just another chatbot. According to recent statements from OpenAI leadership, the company is entering what it calls its next phase, turning advanced AI into practical tools people use every day. In other words, the future isn't just talking to AI. The future is working with AI. And that's where these new updates come in. Well, one of the biggest reports revealed that OpenAI is working on transforming ChatGPT into a super app. But what does that actually mean? Think about apps like WeChat in China. Instead of using 10 different apps for 10 different tasks, everything happens in one place. OpenAI wants ChatGPT to become a central hub where users can chat with AI, generate images, write code, connect with tools, use third-party apps, complete tasks through AI agents. Recent reports suggest OpenAI is redesigning ChatGPT to make coding, image generation, and integrations much more accessible. This is a huge shift because ChatGPT is no longer trying to be the best chatbot. It's trying to become your main AI platform. Now let's talk about one of the most important pieces of this puzzle, Codex. OpenAI recently introduced Codex as an AI coding agent built directly into the ChatGPT ecosystem. And this is where things get interesting. Traditional AI helps you write code. Codex goes further. According to OpenAI, Codex can work on software engineering tasks in parallel and assist with real development workflows. And write code, fix bugs, run tests, analyze code bases, help developers complete projects faster. Instead of acting like a coding tutor, Codex starts behaving more like a junior software engineer. Even if you're not a programmer, this matters because it shows where AI is heading. AI isn't just generating text anymore. It's starting to perform actual work. Now let's talk about a feature that affects almost everyone. Memory. One of the biggest frustrations with AI has always been repetition. You tell the AI something today, tomorrow it forgets. But OpenAI has been expanding ChatGPT's memory capabilities. Recent updates allow ChatGPT to reference previous conversations and provide more personalized responses over time. Imagine telling ChatGPT what you do for work, your favorite tools, your goals, your content style. Instead of starting from zero every time, the AI can provide more relevant answers. This moves ChatGPT closer to becoming a real assistant rather than just a search tool. And for creators, students, and business owners, that could save a lot of time. If there's one phrase you'll hear everywhere over the next few years, it's this: AI agents. An AI agent isn't just an AI that answers questions. It's an AI that can take actions. That's a major difference. For example, today's AI might tell you how to plan a vacation. Tomorrow's AI agent could research destinations, compare hotels, build an itinerary, organize information, all with minimal input from you. OpenAI leaders have openly discussed moving toward a future where users have personal AI agents that help across work and daily life. That's why many experts believe AI agents could become the next major technology revolution. Another important update is the arrival of apps inside ChatGPT. OpenAI has introduced a system that allows developers to build interactive applications that work directly within ChatGPT. Instead of switching between websites and tools, users can interact with apps through conversation. That means AI becomes the interface. You simply ask for what you need, and the tools work behind the scenes. This could completely change how people interact with software in the future. And so let's put everything together. ChatGPT is gaining better memory, AI agents, Codex coding capabilities, third-party apps, a future super app experience. And together, these updates point toward one thing. OpenAI is trying to transform ChatGPT from a chatbot into a complete AI operating system for everyday life. The question is no longer, can AI answer questions? The real question is, how much of our work will AI eventually help us do? And that answer may arrive sooner than anyone expects. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI Hustle for more AI news, tools, and future technology updates. Thanks for watching.